A lot of women think that they are like goddess with multiple hands, and using these multiple hands, they themselves are a pro in managing cooking to satisfy family cravings, home cleaning to maintain health and hygiene, managing laundry to make sure everyone has clean iron clothes to wear, taking care of elders, making sure they have their medicines on time and have proper rest, working as a professional to fulfill their ambitions, parenting, grocery shopping, and doing so much more. Sometimes the tragedy is that even after being highly educated, earning good, these women feel emotionally and physically unregulated and dysfunctional when it comes to creating their dream home and life. And in this entire process of multitasking and putting their head and hand in every single place, what they don't realize is no matter how hardworking you are, no matter how committed you are, no matter how talented you are, one person cannot do everything consistently. And if you want to build your dream freedom lifestyle like a queen, all these activities need to happen consistently in your home and life. If you are going to be stuck in all these activities on a day-to-day basis, then you as a woman have zero time, zero energy to focus on your growth and well-being. You're just stuck in the rut of day-to-day firefighting and month-to-month survival. If you are doing this, I want you to know this. You will be not pleasing Goddess Lakshmi, and you are not going to be inviting Goddess Lakshmi into your home and life consistently. You need to learn how to declutter your space without feeling emotional, how to be in your flow and maximize time, and how to create a queen lifestyle that accelerates abundance and prosperity in your home and life, which will give you ultimate family joy, freedom, and success. And if you want to learn these things, then I invite you to be a part of my free Space Flow Masterclass, where in 90 minutes I will break down what are the 3 strategies to create a queendom that's peaceful and stress-free to manage, and I will break down for you, most importantly, what should be your role as a manager and organizer of your as well as your family's lifestyle. Where should you invest your time, your efforts, your energy, so that you can finally use your talent and your abilities towards contribution in your emotional and financial freedom. Many women register for this class, but they don't show up. I don't want you to be that woman. I want you to be the diva who clicks on the link, registers, you bookmark your calendar, you show up and you attend the class. You stay till the end and you get enriched by this knowledge and you implement this into your own home and life. So hit on the button below and register yourself for the Space Flow class, and make sure that you make yourself capable enough so that Goddess Lakshmi is impressed by you and decides to come to you. I'll see you inside. Peace.